Do you?
Okay, you pull a marker.
Well, you gotta plant these first.
Pull a marker.
See.
Okay, now. All right, now, you know, we need to take these markers because we're going to be using these markers. So, you want to take off one of them?
Yep. What we want to plant on what
Yeah.
we're planting. I want to plant these. She gets 3
Thank
and
you.
I get 2.
There's yours. All right.
Okay.
Now,
So those are the markers. Now, what kinds of things are we planting?
Well, we have some bell peppers,
Okay.
and we have 2 different kinds of tomato, and we have a little basil. That's what we're gonna do today.
Okay.
I used to get my numbers mixed up. But now I'm a great counter. I can only count up to 10.
Well, Grandpa says that's all you need to know,
How to count.
how to count to 10. Because everything you can put in bundles of 10.
3 bundles of 10.
Yeah, that would be 30.
There's-
And 4 bundles
If
of 10 would
there's
be
1
40.
followed by 2 zeros, if there's 1 with 2 zeros beside it, it's
Ooh.
100.
That's right.
That's all.
Where did you learn that? From your
Grandpa
daddy?
and Dad.
Oh,
From Grandpa and Dad. I keep
Good.
forgetting from Grandpa, but now I remember from Dad.
Okay, good
Okay.
job. Now let's set it here. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go get that packet on the table.
Packet!
see that packet over there?
That's super fried. That's super fried.
Okay, bring it over here.
Why do we need the super fried?
Puts fertilizer into the soil. And we're going to take it like
Called
this.
dirt.
I'm going to cut it. Okay? When I cut it,
They're hard, and my dad has some of these. This
it
one.
goes in there like that, see? Because if that wouldn't go in there like
Will
that,
I change it? Huh?
maybe a little bit,
Wait, let me look. This
not
one.
very much. Pretty much the same. Now what we're going to do, so I'm going to take
To get
this
it-
lid, I'm going to put the lid on there, then we're going to shake this up. See? Like that.
And soil's
Okay,
hard.
now, come over here. Now, here. I want you to take this one and give this one to Seth.
He was about to call me Eric, but he said Seth.
Right.
He was about to call me Eric like you call me Eric all the time.
Okay,
Right.
take yours.
Mine?
Yep,
I took mine.
take yours, put yours, sit yours down.
Okay,
I
sit up
did-
in your chair.
Good thing I'm real.
Yeah, what we're going to do now, kids, is we're going to each take some of these and put them in your little
I'm going to
tray. And I'm going to give you each 18 is what I'm
Why
going
don't,
to do.
yeah, but why don't you just take them all from the center? Good.
water.
Yeah.
Can I please do this?
Yes, you may, but you have to wait for Papa to give
Ready,
you
ready
some
for
water.
some water?
Yep.
Right, here we go. Now don't slop this water around because this water is not good.
Ow.
That's probably enough to get her started.
Can we dump?
Okay, now we have 15 times 1/8. What's 15 times 1/8?
It's almost 2.
Can we dump?
2 cups,
Can we dump now?
How much is this?
1 cup.
Can we dump?
Okay, you need to dump it on each little thing if you can. Try. Put some on that one, put some on that one. Oh, now you poured it all in
That's
at
all right.
once.
That's all right.
Okay, pour it all in. Okay, now pour. Careful.
Me?
Yep,
Careful.
pour it in.
Pour in the whole thing.
Okay,
Pour it in all. Atta girl.
there we go. Now we gotta wait.
They're soaking up.
Yeah, and see, when they get all soaked up, then it says to pour off any excess.
Where?
Is
Give
there
me
some
this.
netting here?
Yes.
I'll take your
Like
cup.
here?
I'll take your cup. Thank you.
Oh no.
Okay.
Look. Soaking up.
Yeah, they seem to be.
They're towel check.
Yeah, how is yours? You got much water in the bottom?
They soaked up all the water.
Yours is all gone, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, see now,
Mine are all
this little
soaked up.
netting,
Mine are
they
all
ask you to
soaked up.
gently pull it
Mine
back.
are all
Take your little fingers and pull the netting here gently back. Gently,
Like
very gently.
like this.
See? Just pull it back from the edges. From the middle, I mean, toward the edges. Like that. Okay?
Now can we put?
Not yet.
I really want to put some seeds in.
Well, we really are going to do that.
Okay. One.
All right, now put.
Put 2 in there.
No, wait. Over here. Want to just keep them together?
We have to push them
Put
down.
one in there.
Right, Grandpa?
Yep.
Oh, well, maybe you want to.
We put them beside each other.
Okay, maybe you want to put them like this. Okay, you can do that. Here.
Okay.
Put 3
That-
seeds
was that from
in
here?
here.
Was that from right here? Okay, so get
Did you
another
get
one
3
like that.
seeds now
Yep.
in there?
Better put a
Okay,
third
here's-
seed in there.
Oh, but here you
One
still
more.
have
I
one.
just want to put 2 in.
Put it in here.
Okay.
There.
Go to
Put
here.
it in here.
But we gotta get another
Somewhere
one.
in here. In a little while, as soon as they soak these up. Oh, hers are popping up faster.
Because I poured in mine last. Mine are popping up faster and bigger and bigger and bigger.
Yeah.
Tomato.
Alright.
Now we need the tomato sign.
Okay.
I got
Oh, there's the sign?
or basil all in the tomato. Or the bell
What?
pepper or whatever.
What? How'd you do that?
Mine. Hi, we're planting seeds.
You're right in the middle of the movie.
We're planting seeds. Hi, John.
I'm not in the middle of the movie. I'm waiting out here.
We're planting
Now
seeds.
you're in the middle of the movie.
Look.
Hi, Eric's movie.